Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's complete walkthrough, I will show you step by step how to create professional AI headshots using Pixelbin.io, even if you don't have a professional camera or studio. By the end of this video, you will know how to generate clean, corporate-ready headshots perfect for LinkedIn, resumes, websites, and personal branding 2026. Let's jump in. Now, why use AI headshots in 2026? Professional photo shoots can be expensive and time consuming. AI headshots solve this by giving you studio quality portraits, multiple background styles, fast turnaround, low or zero cost, consistent personal branding. Perfect for freelancers, job seekers, and business owners. Now, go to pixelbin.io. Again, pixelbin.io, bin.io, right? And then hit sign in or get started for free here, right? Inside, once you sign up, right, you can register using email, Google account, GitHub if available. Okay, once inside, you're gonna be able to access the AI headshot tool. So you can see right here on the left hand menu if you're not inside. AI VTube, right? You can search for headshot, right? Doctor headshot, ERAS headshots for medical residency applications, celebrity headshots, or AI professional headshot generator, or outdoor headshot. Okay, so select your favorite AI tool. So let's say professional headshot. Right. The interface is very beginner friendly, right? So all you gotta do now is upload your photo. Right. So let's say, what photo should I use? I'm gonna use a random photo, but take your time with the photo. This is the step that determines your final quality. Now, for best results, upload clear face photos, good lighting, neutral expressions, different angles, no heavy filters, no sunglasses, no hat covering the face, right? Now, upload 8 to 15 photos if the tool allows. Now, pro tip, mix front-facing photos, slight side angles, different lighting conditions. This helps the AI learn your face better. Okay, so as you can see right here, I haven't added like my professional thing, right, with the photo, right? So you gotta have an already headshot in order, or already different angle photo to create a professional business ready headshot from any photo with balanced lighting, natural retouching in a clean studio style background. All right, and AI will just tag in and enhance it. This helps the AI learn your face better. Now, Pixelbin usually offers style options such as corporate professional, LinkedIn style, studio background, creative portrait, formal business. For most professionals, just choose corporate or like the one I just chose, AI professional headshot generator. All right. And yeah, before generating, you may see options like background type, outfit style, gender refinement, image resolution, number of output. Okay. The background should be neutral or office. The outfit should be formal or business. The resolution should be at highest available. And the number of images should be multiple if allowed. Okay. And now, once you generate and wait for the process, it ranges from 30 seconds to a few minutes, depending on server load and number of images. And then you gotta review the photo carefully. Right? When your headshots appear, check for face accuracy, eye realism, right? And skin tone consistency, right? Background cleanliness, professional appearance. Not every image will be perfect. Pick the best one, okay? And then once you're done, export the image or download it. Okay, and choose the highest resolution. Store your files in a branding folder. Okay, for even better results, you can slightly sharpen the image, adjust brightness or contrast, remove minor artifacts, resize for LinkedIn. This is optional, right? But avoid over editing. Keep it natural. Okay. Now, your new headshot is perfect for LinkedIn profile, resume or CV, company website, freelance profile, speaking engagements, email signatures, personal brand pages. Avoid uploading blurry photos, using selfies with bad lighting, wearing sunglasses in training photos, using heavy beauty filters, or choosing overly artistic backgrounds for business use, ignoring face accuracy. Don't do that. Avoid all that. Okay? Pro tip, use natural lighting photos, upload multiple angles, and choose neutral backgrounds. Also pick formal outfit styles beforehand and generate multiple batches and compare. Keep a consistent personal brand look. Now, as you can see, my credits will run out, but in your case, you need to upgrade in order to upload more. Okay, so AI headshot generators like pixelbin.io have made professional branding accessible to everyone in 2026 with the right photos and settings. You can create studio quality portraits in minutes without hiring a photographer. Take your time selecting good input photos, and your results will look dramatically better. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.